Pagdating natin, experience ko talaga ito. Baba na ito. Baba na ito. Oh, yung magano kayo malata.
Divine Mercy ito, di ba?
Churi!
So mag-Divine Mercy tayo.
Samad! Churi! Bidin siya! Sacrifice yan! Oo!
Sana yung iba?
Magkakit pa? Oo.
Hindi ko lang makita dito. Gitna pa lang yun sila.
So ano, wala man.
Wala mo na. Sana sila.
Balik kayo doon banda lang oh. Balik kayo doon tapos sakit dito kay.
Paket na, paket.
Kamera. Record ito. Video.
Go!
Okay, gapang.
Sa baba muna tayo.
Okay, gapang. Kunwari gapang kayo.
Tama na, pwede ba?
Tingnan na gapang yan. Peking gapang ito. Peking gapang. Yes!
Speaking gap. Okay.
Ay, salamat. Pagod na sado.
Makapagod.
Artista.
Artista. Okay. Kamay ganun. Bye. Interview. Okay, interview.
Ano masasabi?
Okay, ano masasabi nyo? Ngayon na nakarating na kayo sa Mount Everest ngayon. Ano masasabi? Sagot po. Sige.
Sagot! Napakahirap talaga.
Napakahirap akitin ng Mount Everest.
Grabe.
Mahirap talaga.
Sir. Excuse me, sir. What can you say about this, sir? Conquering Mount Everest, sir?
It's hard to climb here because it is there's a uling.
Yeah, what's uling, sir? Sir, may we know what is uling, sir? Sir, please, sir. Wait a moment, sir. What is uling, sir? What is uling, ma'am?
Hi,
Yeah, ma'am. You are from what country are you, ma'am?
Slovenia.
Slovenia. Oh, I think there's no country.
Look at my face.
Yes,
Look at
sir.
my
Yes, sir.
face.
Sir, what can you say about conquering Mount
You know,
Everest?
it's a wonderful experience to
Yes,
be
sir.
here.
I know.
Yes, you know that.
Yes, sir.
I came from Nigeria. Look at
Yes, yeah, Nigeria.
look at my skin, no?
Yes, sir. Sir, what will you tell your friends about this place, sir?
Well, actually, the place was the place was so nice.
Are you really from Nigeria because you don't
Yes, I'm a turista.
Filipino ka, sir? Bisaya ka, sir?
Lucky.
Hello!
Hi. Ma'am, you are from Japan? You're from Japan, ma'am. What can you say about the place, ma'am?
It's very nice and
Very
beautiful
nice.
na mag-English.
And yes, ma'am. And ma'am, join, ma'am.
Okay na?
Okay na.
Yung nagapoto, naga-picture.
Pindutin mo lang sa gitna.
Wait, parang
Yan na?
Daw, patingin. Grabe as in.
Tara, nandito na ba lahat?
Ito, may bagong daan.
Okay, mag-Divine Mercy na tayo. Sir, excuse sir, interview lang po, sir. What country you belong, sir? You came from what country, sir? Sir, what can you say about the place, sir? Is this your first time, sir, to come up here at the Mount Everest, sir? Sir, say something about Mount Everest.
Medyo kapoy-kapoy.
Medyo kapoy-kapoy. What's that language, sir? I don't understand what's the language, sir.
Ayan o! Interview no! Banban!
Sir,
Banban!
for a while, I'm going to interview a lady. I saw her crying. Just ask her what's the reason why she's crying. Ma'am, excuse ma'am, you came from what country, ma'am? You're from, ma'am?
California.
Take me home, country road. Why are you crying, ma'am? Is that excitement, the tears of joy?
Fear.
A fear? Oh my God!
Nagalaw pa kasi!
Ako lang. Ako lang gikuha.
Sir, excuse me, sir. A few questions, sir. You belong to what country, sir?
Oh, we came from London.
You're London, London. So you mean, sir, you're from England, okay?
Yeah.
Look at your hands. So what happened to your hands?
It's dirty.
It's dirty. Yeah, that's clear dirty, sir. Why did you get this, sir? Where did you get this?
There, oh.
Where?
Over there.
Over there, sir?
Yes.
There's somebody
It's
sitting
really
there?
hard to climb here in
Very
Mount
hard.
Charcoal.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's the name of the place? What's the name of the place, sir?
They call this mountain Mount Charcoal.
Mount Charcoal.
Yes,
Okay,
Mount
sir.
Charcoal.
Look at my hand, oh.
Yeah.
You can see my hand.
It's really
My 2 hands, oh.
Yes.
Just look at my hand.
Left and the
Oh,
right.
what happened? It's full of charcoal. Oh.
Okay, thank you very much,
With
sir.
my skin.
Grabe, habang umakyat.
Yes, sir. Because we're making oling, sir. Sir, interview lang po, sir. You're from Ilonggo? Okay.
Yan from Libak. Libak.